Welcome to this tutorial on how to show notification badges on Google Chrome. If you want to keep track of your notifications without constantly checking your tabs, enabling notification badges is a great way to stay updated. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Next, click on the 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you need to find and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize Chrome according to your preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Security section. Here, look for an option labeled Notifications. Click on it to access your notification settings. In the notification settings, you will see different options related to how notifications are handled in Chrome. To enable notification badges, make sure to enable notifications badges by toggling the appropriate setting. This allows Chrome to display badges on the app icon whenever there are new notifications waiting for you. After enabling notification badges, you can customize further if needed. For instance, you can choose which sites can send notifications and how they appear. This ensures that you only receive alerts from sources that matter most to you. Once you've made your selections, simply close the Settings tab. You're all set. Now, whenever you receive notifications from websites or applications, you'll see a handy badge indicating how many notifications are waiting for your attention. Thank you for following along. With these simple steps, you'll never miss an important update again while using Google Chrome. Enjoy browsing with your new notification badges.